Hello and welcome to the last session of this week on challenges of event planning activities. Introduction. Event coordination, an ever-changing and intricate sphere, embodies a graceful interplay of creative ingenuity and precise organization. Positioned as architects of remarkable moments, event planners confront a multitude of obstacles demanding skill, anticipation, and flexibility. This opening narrative plunges into the elaborate fabric of challenges ingrained in event planning, scrutinizing the profound influence of these hindrances on the craft of formulating effortless and significant gatherings. The first challenge, underestimating the complexity, often serves as a rite of passage for newer event planners. The intricacies involved, from meticulous scheduling to vendor coordination, can catch even the most seasoned professionals off guard. Novices, in particular, may overlook the time intensive nature of certain tasks, emphasizing the need for comprehensive planning and mentorship. Lack of creativity stands as another hurdle, as events are not merely logistical endeavors but opportunities for engagement and inspiration. Without innovative ideas and fresh perspectives, events risk become mundane, failing to leave a lasting impression on attendees. Budgeting emerges as a pivotal challenge, demanding a delicate balance between financial prudence and delivering a memorable experience. Planning and paying as you go can lead to unforeseen financial hurdles, emphasizing the need for detailed quotes, transparent communication, and meticulous allocation of funds. Flying without a net, an analogy for expecting the unexpected, underscores the importance of contingency planning. Unforeseen expenses, from unexpected transportation costs to catering changes, can significantly impact the success of an event. Adequate preparation and a financial cushion within the budget serve as safeguards against these surprises. Timing, an often underestimated challenge, requires event planners to master the art of choreographing numerous moving parts. From creating detailed timelines to breaking down tasks into manageable components, effective timing ensures that all aspects of the event fall seamlessly into place. Audiovisual failures and technical issues can disrupt even the most carefully planned events. Thorough preparation, including run throughs and on site technical support, becomes imperative to ensure a smooth experience for both speakers and attendees. Uniqueness and innovation present ongoing challenges, especially in a saturated event landscape. Event planners must actively seek creative solutions, drawing inspiration from brainstorming sessions and implementing out of the box ideas to stand out from the crowd. Here are key challenges for event preparation and navigating strategies. Understanding the complexity. Event planning, with its myriad details, often catches newer event planners off guard. Underestimating the time required and the intricacies involved can lead to hiccups. The solution lies in meticulous planning, foresight, and, if necessary, seeking professional assistance. Understanding the intricate nature of event management, especially for those new to the field, is crucial. Novice planners might not fully grasp the time intensive nature of certain tasks or the need to secure details well in advance. To avoid this, a comprehensive planning approach that considers every aspect, along with seeking guidance or mentorship, can help navigate the complexities effectively. Lack of creativity. Events are meant to be enjoyable and engaging. A lack of creativity can result in uninspired gatherings. Encouraging brainstorming sessions within the team, drawing inspiration from past events, and infusing fresh ideas into the planning process can elevate the overall creative quotient. Creativity is the lifeblood of successful events. Without it, even the most well organized logistics can fall flat. Imagine a conference without an engaging theme, a product launch without innovative presentations, or a corporate event lacking in interactive elements. To overcome this challenge, event planners should actively foster creativity within their teams. Brainstorming sessions, idea sharing forums, and drawing inspiration from successful events can inject the much needed creative spark into the planning process. Budgeting. Managing the budget is a formidable challenge in event planning. Without careful planning, overspending or unexpected expenses can disrupt financial plans. Getting quotes in writing, locking in prices, and meticulous budget allocation are crucial strategies to overcome this challenge. The financial aspect of event planning is intricate and demands meticulous attention. From securing sponsorships to allocating funds for various aspects like venue, catering, and entertainment, budgeting requires a comprehensive approach. One common pitfall is underestimating costs or not accounting for unforeseen expenses. To navigate this challenge, event planners should adopt a detailed budgeting process. This involves obtaining quotes from vendors in writing, ensuring transparent communication with stakeholders, and having a clear understanding of the financial landscape. By locking in prices and anticipating potential financial curveballs, planners can maintain financial stability throughout the event. Flying without a net. Unforeseen circumstances are part and parcel of event planning. Failing to anticipate unexpected expenses can lead to financial strain. Building a significant cushion in the budget to cover unforeseen costs is a prudent approach, preventing financial pitfalls. Despite meticulous planning, the unpredictable nature of events means that unforeseen challenges can arise. From sudden changes in weather for outdoor events to unexpected transportation costs, having a safety net is crucial. A financial cushion within the budget helps cover unexpected expenses without causing significant disruptions. This foresight and preparedness contribute to financial resilience, ensuring that the event can adapt to unforeseen circumstances without compromising its overall success. Timing issues. Events involve numerous moving parts, demanding meticulous timing and organization. Creating a detailed timeline and breaking down tasks into manageable components help in staying on top of the event plan. It also facilitates transparent communication with clients and stakeholders. Timing is of the essence in event planning. The coordination of various tasks leading up to the event requires careful choreography to ensure everything falls into place seamlessly. Creating a detailed timeline is instrumental in achieving this synchronization. Breaking down the entire plan into smaller, manageable tasks not only prevents overwhelm but also allows for efficient tracking and monitoring of progress. This structured approach not only enhances the efficiency of event planning but also provides a clear roadmap for all stakeholders involved. Audio-visual failures and technical issues. Technical glitches during presentations can be highly awkward. Adequate preparation, including run-throughs and having trained personnel on standby, is essential to ensure a smooth audio-visual experience. This minimizes disruptions, especially in front of esteemed speakers. The visual and auditory components of an event play a pivotal role in its success. Technical failures during presentations can not only disrupt the flow but also diminish the overall experience for attendees. To mitigate this challenge, thorough preparation is key. Conducting run-throughs for all audiovisual elements, ensuring equipment compatibility, and having trained personnel to address any technical issues are essential steps. This proactive approach ensures that presentations, a core element of many events, proceed seamlessly, leaving a positive and lasting impression on attendees. Uniqueness and innovation challenges. Attendees often frequent multiple events, making originality a key factor. Planning for uniqueness involves harnessing creative ideas from brainstorm sessions and presenting out of the box scenarios. This ensures that the event stands apart, leaving a lasting impression. In a landscape saturated with events, standing out is a constant challenge. Attendees, especially those who regularly participate in conferences, seminars, or other gatherings, can experience event fatigue if each occasion feels repetitive. Overcoming this challenge requires a proactive approach to inject uniqueness and innovation into event planning. Gathering creative insights through brainstorming sessions, learning from past successes, and implementing out of the box ideas can elevate an event from mundane to memorable. Audience engagement. Events should go beyond passive participation. Engaging the audience involves thoughtful planning, including interactive sessions, Q&A forums, breakout groups, and encouraging social media participation. Creating opportunities for meaningful connections enhances the overall event experience. Audience engagement is a critical success factor for events. Beyond merely attending, participants seek immersive experiences that involve interaction and connection. To address this, event planners must strategically plan for engagement throughout the event. This includes incorporative interactive sessions, facilitating Q&A forums, organizing breakout groups, and encouraging active participation on social media platforms. By fostering these engagement opportunities, event planners create a dynamic and memorable experience for attendees. Contingency planning. Alongside meticulous planning, having contingency plans is crucial. Considering alternatives for outdoor events in case of bad weather or backup speakers in case of cancellations ensures preparedness for unexpected scenarios. Codes for backup services add an extra layer of readiness. No matter how detailed the planning, events are susceptible to unforeseen circumstances. Contingency planning involves anticipating potential challenges and having alternative solutions ready. For outdoor events, contingency plans may include backup indoor venues in case of inclement weather. Similarly, having substitute speakers on standby can address unexpected cancellations. Obtaining codes for backup services provides a practical approach to ensure quick and effective solutions when needed. This level of preparedness enhances the ability to navigate unexpected turns with resilience. Client satisfaction. Client satisfaction hinges on the entire planning process. Maintaining open communication, sharing detailed checklists, and keeping clients informed about the progress contribute to a positive perception even if challenges arise during planning. The client's satisfaction is the ultimate measure of an event's success. Beyond the actual event day, clients evaluate the entire planning journey. To ensure client satisfaction, event planners should prioritize transparent communication. This involves sharing comprehensive event checklists based on timeline, providing regular updates, and addressing any concerns promptly. By keeping clients informed and involved throughout the process, event challenges become a part of a collaborative problem-solving approach, fostering a positive client experience. Venue and vendor selection. Choosing suitable venues and reliable vendors is an ongoing challenge. Developing strong relationships with key partners ensures smoother operations. A good rapport can secure prime dates and favorable pricing, contributing to the overall success of events. The selection of venues and vendors significantly influences the success of an event. The challenge lies not only in finding suitable options, but also in establishing long term partnerships. Building strong relationships with venues and vendors is a strategic approach that pays dividends over time. It involves effective communication, understanding each other's requirements, and fostering a mutually beneficial collaboration. By cultivating these partnerships, event planners not only ensure the availability of quality venues and services, but also gain advantages like preferred pricing and flexible scheduling. Attendance tracking. Tracking attendance is a critical step in effective planning. It informs decisions related to meals, accommodations, and budgeting. Accurate attendance data helps in optimizing event logistics and prevents unnecessary expenses. Attendance tracking is not just a logistical necessity, but a strategic tool for event planners. It provides valuable insights that impact various aspects of event planning. From catering arrangements to accommodation bookings, attendance numbers guide critical decisions. Moreover, tracking cancellations allows for real time adjustments, preventing unnecessary expenditures. Modern technology offers streamlined solutions for attendance tracking, enhancing the overall efficiency of the planning process. Regulations and legalities. Event planners must be well versed in rules and regulations. Understanding legalities and industry specific regulations is imperative when selecting event locations. Compliance ensures seamless execution while avoiding legal complications. The legal landscape surrounding events is multifaceted, encompassing permits, safety regulations, and industry specific compliance. Navigating this complex terrain requires meticulous attention to detail and a proactive approach. Event planners should conduct thorough research on regulations relevant to their specific type of event. This includes understanding local ordinances, obtaining necessary permits, and ensuring adherence to safety standards. Compliance not only ensures the smooth execution of the event, but also mitigates the risk of legal complications. Navigating these challenges demands a strategic approach, emphasizing proactive planning, creativity, and adaptability in the dynamic landscape of event management. By addressing these aspects, event planners can not only overcome hurdles but also elevate the overall quality and impact of their events. The list of event management challenges may seem daunting, but with good partners and good planning, your events can also provide amazing opportunities. Here are just a few silver linings. Gaining insight. Experience in event planning will help you in continue to excel in the field. Part of a successful event is follow up. The best way to do this is on site or very soon after the event, so attendee recollections are fresh. Surveying attendees will help you fix any potential snags and plan an event better in the future. Networking. When you are the event host, everyone remembers you. Hosting an event provides an amazing networking opportunity. Hosting a successful, enjoyable event can do more for your brand than you might be able to conceive of. Finding great vendors. When you approach each event carefully, you are highly likely to form strong relationships with vendors who work well with you. You'll also start to recognize the signs of a good partner, which can come in handy when planning an event in a new location. Keeping tech check. To avoid encountering time wasting issues due to technological issues at your events, test everything rigorously before things get underway. This preparation can help you identify and solve problems early enough to get the help needed ahead of time and always ensure a backup plan. Conclusion. Challenges serve as the crescendos that define the melody. The journey from underestimating complexity to navigating regulations and legalities represents a continuous evolution for event planners. As this exploration of challenges unfolds, it becomes evident that each hurdle is not an impediment but a catalyst for growth and improvement. The undercurrent of creativity weaves through the challenges, urging event planners to think beyond the conventional and embrace innovation. Budgeting, often likened to a tightrope walk, demands a delicate balance between financial constraints and delivering unparalleled experiences. The concept of flying without a net encapsulates the unpredictability of events, emphasizing the need for meticulous preparation and a safety cushion within the budget. Timing emerges as a silent conductor orchestrating the myriad tasks involved in event planning. It requires not only precision but also the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. Audiovisual challenges highlight the technological aspects that, if not carefully managed, can overshadow the entire event experience. Uniqueness and innovation become the keys to unlocking memorable events. Audience engagement transforms events from passive experiences to dynamic, interactive platforms where connections flourish. Contingency planning, client satisfaction, and the strategic selection of venues and vendors add layers to the intricacy of event planning. As event planners navigate these challenges, they partake in a continuous learning process, honing their skills and refining their approach with each event. The ever evolving landscape of event planning demands resilience, adaptability, and a commitment to delivering experiences that transcend the ordinary. In the finale of this symphony, the challenges become not barriers but harmonious elements that contribute to the creation of extraordinary and unforgettable events.